What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I'd like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, Smurf's got another detail on his hands right now. I'm just getting set up in the garage, getting everything kind of ready, getting my buckets filled up, getting my foamers filled up, foam cannon, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me on this detail. It's a Dodge Ram pickup. I'll show you here in just a second. This is a friend of mine's pickup. She reached out to me and contacted me due to a scratch. Looked like somebody keyed it down the left front and driver's door. It's pretty long too, so I'll show you guys the scratch too. But she reached out to me. I said, yeah, you know, I should be able to take care of it. As long as it doesn't catch your nail, I should be able to make it look pretty good and not noticeable. But might have to do a little 3K wet sand there and polish it out. But I told her, I said, you know, said that side of the car is going to be all nice and glossy and shiny. So we talked. She said, how about just do the whole thing? So we're doing inside out on this thing. We're going to dial this truck in, man, make it look good. So yeah, I'm going to get started. Camera's going to be rolling. It's not going to be much of me talking until we get on the paint and get it into the garage. But let me show you guys what I'm in for. All right, everybody. So this is the Dodge Ram I'm going to be detailing. The scratch. Where you guys can see that scratch. It goes from here. From here all the way down the door. Yeah. All the way down the door. Starts right about here. Starts here. And goes all the way down the door. Yep, there's a good one. So we're going to be working on that, as well as freshening up the interior, because it definitely needs it. Seats aren't terrible at all. Get the interior a nice blowout. Get these mats cleaned up. Get this dog hair out of here. Because they got the woofers in the back. So not the subwoofers, the woofers as in the dogs. As you can see, he made his mark up here on the glass. Gotta love it. But yeah, overall this truck's in decent shape, and we're gonna make it look good. Got my little thingies over there. I've never used those before, so we'll see. Got a little scuff back here. See if we can't do something about that. Restore the plastic trim on the bumper. You know what I'm saying? Do what Smurf does. Do what Smurf does. Get those wheel wells cleaned up. So yeah, this is pretty much what I'm in for. It's going to be kind of me just detailing. I'm just going to have the camera set up and going to be cleaning, getting some footage of me cleaning. And then once I get it inside, to start on the paint, then I'm definitely going to show you guys my process on attacking that scratch on the side. But yeah, Smurf has definitely got his work cut out for him. So wish me luck. I'm going to start with the wheels and tires, set the camera up, start rolling, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, everybody, as we jump to the interior and start cleaning, I grab my TYPHON from PHOENIXEOD. TYPHON is an interior cleaner and deodorizer, and it comes as concentrate. I'm using a 10-to-1 mixture on this entire interior with TYPHON. It works absolutely phenomenal. It leaves the surface smelling fresh. Paired with my steamer, it is an absolute lethal 1-2 combination. If you guys haven't seen my TYPHON video, I will link it down in the description box for you guys to check that video out after this if you'd like. And enjoy the rest of the video. All right, everybody, now time to address this scratch. I'm utilizing some 3000 grit sandpaper here, and I'm wet sanding and utilizing my KXK Dynamics Rid Sticks. Rid Sticks are awesome because it really helps me keep an even pressure when I'm sanding. Not applying tons of pressure at all, let the sandpaper do the work. You can see the milky residue that's coming off, that's the clear coat. Now you want to wipe your residue off and check your work pretty often. Once you get to the desired sanding that you are after, go ahead and polish it out. Here I'm using my Flex PXE 80 paired with the Papa Cut compound from PHOENIXEOD, and then polished out with the fabulous finishing polish from PHOENIXEOD as well. A great 1-2 combo, and the results are stunning, as you will see here. Any questions about this process, please drop them down in the comments. I'll have no problems answering you. And yeah, that's pretty much it for wet sanding. All right, everybody, we are in a quick final thoughts segment. We got this Dodge Ram all cleaned up, and we got the scratch all taken care of. Now, is it 100% gone? No, but you can't see it to the eye. To my eye, I can see it. But the thing is that I didn't want to do is I didn't want to compromise her clear. I didn't want to wet sand it so much to the point where I had to get the whole scratch out, and so it's just completely gone, because I didn't want to compromise her clear. I got to the point where I felt comfortable, to the point where I know she's not going to be able to see it, and I can't see it. But this thing looks absolutely incredible. And you guys will see here shortly. I'll give you guys a quick little walk around real quick. But yeah, this thing looks absolutely incredible. So we got the Ram. This thing is all taken care of. It's dialed in. Looks incredible. I wanted to polish the whole paint, but unfortunately, budget-wise, that's not in the budget, because I spent a lot of time on the interior, because the interior was filled with dog hair. Steph, if you watch this, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. That's what they all say, Steph. Gosh, dog hair is coming out everywhere. I still love you, though. But yeah, this thing is dialed. Check this thing out. Yep. So we got this thing dialed in. Everything's cleaned and protected on the inside. Outside is clean and protected. Went ahead and put some Polish Angel Cosmic Spritz on this thing. Yes, I have some Polish Angel that I'm just trying to use up, so she gets that luxury protection. Wheels are dialed, absolutely dialed. They're not perfect. They're not perfect, but fender liners are dialed. Thing looks legit. Absolutely legit. That's what it's about. And that's what it's about. She's on the way to pick it up. So I hope all you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please, 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 let me brighten this up again. Please drop them down in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Be happy to answer your questions. I'm getting ready to send this bye-bye because she's on her way to pick this up. So yeah, as always, I'd like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of their day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. You guys know that. And if you found this video helpful, please smash that thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, whether it's details, how-tos, coatings, polishings, all that kind of good stuff, product reviews, you'll get notified. Smurfs out. And I want to thank you guys again. I hope you guys all out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is, where you're at right now watching. Catch you guys all in the next video.